Hi everyone, it's Tom from Mind Cosplay, and today I'm going to show you how to make this plain minimalistic face mask a great base for many cosplay projects and how to secure elastic in place so it won't snap. Let's jump in. Main body of this mask will be made out of 6mm EVA foam, but we will also use 2mm craft foam, elastic band, contact cement glue and of course some basic crafting tools and PPE. If you haven't already, you can get this pattern from my online shop, link in the description. Before printing, check the scaling chart on page 2 to match the printing scale with your head size. Remember to read the instructions and symbol pages, they'll help you follow along. Time to get crafting. Grab your scissors or box cutter and cut out all the patterns we will need for this build. Now use a pattern notcher to add alignment markers along each edge. They are super important. I have a separate video explaining why and how to use them. Flip each piece over and on the unprinted side, mark the part and edge numbers. This makes transferring to foam easier and helps avoid mistakes. To mark the position of the eye, use a compass needle to pierce the pattern at the center to make a small hole. Now place all the patterns on your 6mm EVA foam and transfer around the outline carefully. Don't forget to add the alignment markers, edge numbers and the top-bottom symbols. Also mark position of the eye, simply press the pen through the hole. Remember that all parts with double numbers need to be transferred twice, as left and right hand side, once for the printed side and once more, but this time flipped to the blank side for the mirror half of the build. When cutting, use a sharp knife and keep your cuts at 90 degrees, no bevels needed for this simple build. You will have 6 foam pieces in total, 3 for one side and 3 mirrored ones for the other half of the mask. Before gluing, lay out all the parts to check how they fit and if none of the symbol is missing, so you don't accidentally glue them upside down or in the wrong order. Start by gluing part 1 and 1' together. Apply the glue, take your time and make sure the alignment markers line up perfectly. Then glue 2 and 3, always wait for the contact cement to evaporate and surface to be almost touch dry before pressing edges together. Once done, glue parts 2' and 3'. Remember that misaligned seams will make your mask look uneven. Once those pairs are set, connect all 3 segments to form the full mask body. Like before, correct alignment is crucial, so take your time and don't rush. And here it is how the basic foam mask should look once fully assembled. Now let's add the elastic. On pattern number 3 you will see a marked area labeled elastic. Cut that area from the paper pattern. Place it over the inside of your mask to match with the foam part and trace the cutout outline with a pen. This marks where the elastic should be glued. Flip the pattern over and mark the same spot on the other side so the placement is symmetrical. Now cut out a 6cm square out of 2mm craft foam, position it over the elastic spot so it overlaps and mark the outline, repeat on the other side. Before gluing, score the EVA foam surface gently with a box cutter in multiple directions. This roughens it and helps the glue grab better. Apply the glue to the foam surface and the elastic. Wait till touch dry and press into place. Now glue the 2mm craft foam on top to sandwich and secure the elastic in place. You can always trim it later, for now let the glue bond. Once one side is done, test fit the mask. Pull the elastic around your head until it feels comfortable, mark the second end and trim, keeping few extra centimeters that will be glued to the inside. Repeat the same sandwich steps to glue this end in place. Let everything cure and now you have a strong, comfortable strap that won't snap under stress. Happy with your mask? Let's prep the foam for finishing. To close the surface cell, we will heat seal the surface with a heat gun. Wave evenly until the foam changes to slightly shiny. You can also bend and stretch the foam to refine the geometry. Once cooled, the mask is ready for sealing and painting. And here it is, the plain mask is ready, but you can customize it to your liking by cutting out eyes, mouth, crafting some additional pieces out of EVA foam and simply sticking it on top. I'm sure you can make something unique and truly yours. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next build.